I've spent a few minutes adjusting it or trimming it, whatever you'd like to call it, to get the angles right. And I've spent a bit of time trying to mend the broken bit of plastic up here. Basically I used a hot knife to remelt it. And I think we're working. Let's see. So that's it. That's Toys for Boys, Techno Balls, Perpetual-motion, Power Marbel Run. As I say, nothing to do with Perpetual-motion. It's got an electric motor powered by batteries, but it does keep going. Took me a fair while to assemble it, but I did just follow the instructions and it got me there. Job done.